to make arbi ki sabzi, we have to cut arbi in thin round slices like this. Along with it we need onion slice and slit green chili, and this is ajwain, half teaspoon. Next we need the powder masala, salt to taste, garam masala, red chili powder and turmeric powder, chaat masala as well. Along with it we need some chopped coriander and dry mango powder, that is amchur. You can check the description box for the ingredients. So first we need to take a kadai in which I have added 4 teaspoons of refined oil. Next I will add half teaspoon of ajwain in it. Once it starts spluttering, I am going to add onion slices in it and mix it well. Next I am going to add the slit green chili in it and fry it along with the onions. Once the onions are fried, I will add the arbi and mix it well. So we have to keep on stirring so that it does not stick to the bottom, and fry it. Now I will add the powder masalas, that is turmeric powder, Kashmiri mirch powder, salt, garam masala powder, and mix it well. After the arbi is well coated with the masala, I will put some water, half cup of water, and cover the lid and let it cook for next 7 to 8 minutes. Once the arbi is cooked, now I am going to sprinkle some chaat masala in it. It is going to add flavor to the recipe and it smells really great. One by one I will add chaat masala, then dry mango powder, and mix it well and serve it hot with coriander leaves. So friends, our arbi ki sabzi is ready. We can have it with garam roti, garam chapati or paratha. It's going to taste awesome, and please try this at home, and you can give it as tiffin to your children and husband. They are really going to enjoy it. Please try this at home and let me know how your family liked it. Till then, all of you, bye bye. And if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And I wish all of you happy cooking. Bye bye.